Hi everyone, I'm Jamar and I'll be sharing my reflection of as an IT project manager at Walt Disney World. And I'll talk about how using Internet of Things or IoT devices like the race band that guests wear can help the park save money or increase revenue. And I also mention the pros and cons of each way. Let's go! First, IoT can help us manage rides and crowds better. The wristbands can track where guests are, how long line are at each attraction. There are the pros. First, we can reduce waiting times and send guests to less crowded area. Next, this improves the guest experience and keeps rides running smoothly. Then the cons, it costs a lot to set up sensors and devices. Then guests might worry about privacy if we track their movements. Number 2, these are one of thing that IoT can help make it easier and faster payments. Second, guests can use their, for example, second guest can use their wristband to buy foods, drink, and souvenir with just one tap. There are the pros. First, it's faster and more convenient for guests. Then the next is easy payment often lead to more sales and revenue. Then the cons, security must be strong to protect guest information. Then the next cons is some guests may spend too much without realizing it. The third is personalized offers and experience. The third benefits can IoT make is IoT help us personalize guest experience. For example, if a family loves a certain ride, we can send them offer to related merchandise or shows. There are the pros. First pros, guests feel special and are more likely to come back. Then the next pros is the park earns more from personal promotion. Then the cons, it's expensive to build this system. Then the next cons I can prefer is too many offers might annoy some guests. And in short, guys, IoT devices like Disney wristband help the park save money and increase revenue through better crowd controls, faster payments, and personal experience. But we also have to manage the cost, privacy, and security issues. As an IT management project manager, I believe the key is use to technology smartly, so it makes the park more magical while keeping guests happy and safe. And yun lang.